This is a test of the Central and East Lakeshore, Ohio Local Area Emergency Alert System, originating from the studios of the LP1 station in Cleveland, Ohio. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in the area. This concludes this test of the Central and East Lakeshore, Ohio Area Emergency Alert System.